kindergartners. It's time for our 10 frame flashcards that we've been doing, thinking about math and 10 frames. Would you please take out your 10 frames that you either have on a whiteboard or on a piece of paper? If you need to pause the video and make those, go for it. Take a second, do that. Or if you would like, you can point on the screen to my 10 frames when we pick a number. Okay, we're gonna do 4 today, unless yesterday on Tuesday when I was doing them, I kept getting very simple flashcards. And so I did a 5th one just to add a little bit more of a challenge for us because I know we've been getting lots of practice with our 10 frames. Okay, first one, again, if you need to pause and get ready and thinking before I move on, we're gonna need a couple more supplies. You can just have your 10 frame. You either need to have some sort of whiteboard marker if you're going to be using your whiteboard, or pencil, crayon, marker, something to mark on your paper if you use paper. Or if you would like to, I don't have a paper clip around, but you could use some sort of manipulative or counter. We've been using pennies a lot. You could use pennies or paper clips, you decide. It's just art. I would use paper clips, but if I put a paper clip on, fall off. No, they should make sticky paper clips. That wouldn't work very well. Never mind. Okay, first flashcard. I'm gonna put it this way so you can see the number. Okay, choosing this one. Is that the right one? No. Whew, 91. No, thank you. Let's do this number. That looks better. That looks like our teen numbers. What number is this? 19, right. 19. Oh, I guess that way would be 61. 19, 61. But we're doing 19. 19, showing me on your whiteboard, or I'll put up my whiteboard, pointing on mine, showing the number 19. Always feeling free. Ooh, I got marker all over my hand from a science magazine. Always feel free to pause if you need an extra couple seconds or minutes, whatever works for you. So 19, thinking about that number, are we gonna need 1 or 2 10 frames to show the number 19? Show me with fingers. 2, right? You got it. See, I told you, we got lots of practice under our belts. Okay, so 19, we know it's 1 10 frame that we have to fill up, and then some more. 19 is 10, and how many more? 19, 10, how many more? You got it. 9, 10 and 9 more make 19. Or thinking about addition, 10 plus 9 equals 19. That's our sum, because the sum is the equal after the equal sign in our equation for an addition problem or addition equation. Okay, you ready? Your boards are all set. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Is that what your board looks like? Nice. Okay, so we see we have the 5, 10 filled out because we know 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 and 5 more equals 10. And then we need, it looks like another row of 5. So we have 5 plus 10, or 5 plus 5 equals 10. Plus another 5. 5, 10, 15. And then we need how many more? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many boxes do we need to have to get to 20? Or how many more boxes? Right, 1 more and we get to 20. Okay, we got, that was a challenge one right off the bat. And we did it so well. Nice work, everyone. Okay. Ready for the next one? Clear your board if you have not already done so. Clear your boards. Okay, next one. Next one. I'm gonna go with, oh my gosh! It's the opposite from Tuesday when we had lots of single-digit numbers. Now we have lots of two-digit numbers. What number is this? 17, right. Can you please show me 17 on your 10 frame or 10 frames? Or you can point on mine. So now 17, is that going to be 1 or 2 10 frames? Right, 2 10 frames, of course. 2 10 frames. So we know 17 is 10, and how many more makes 17? Oh, 7, right, of course. 10 and 7 more makes 17. Okay, showing me on your 10 frames or on my 10 frames. The number is 17. So we know we need 2 rows of 5. How many more rows of 5 are we going to need? Are we going to need all 4 rows of 5? Or 3 rows of 5? Right. 5, 10, 15, and then how many more do we need to make 17? 15? Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Is that what your board looks like? Right, we just said that. We see the 3 rows of 5. 5, 10, 15, and then how many more make 17? 2 more. 2 more into the 4th row. So we have 15, 16, 17. Very close to 19. How many more boxes would we need to fill in order to make this 19? 17, 18, 19, only 2 more. How many more do we need to make it 20? You got it. Because we know if we filled both 10 frames up, it would be 20, of course. Okay, next one. Are you ready? Are you sure? Are you positive? Okay, we're ready. We're ready. Randomly picking 4. Interesting. So we're starting off with more challenging ones and then getting simpler at the end. Would you please show me 4 on your 10 frames? I don't know. Do you think you can do it? Can you show me 4? We're gonna need all 4 rows, right? To show 4. We're gonna need all of these. No. We're gonna need at least 2 10 frames, right? No. Are we gonna need both rows in the first 10 frame? No. How many do we have to have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it? Oh my gosh. Okay. We're ready for this. In 3, 2, 1. Is that what you got? That's what I did too. You're right. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. Nice work. Okay, last one. So hopefully it's a little more challenging than that. Randomly picking. Ooh, this is a good one. What number is this? Right, 12. Looking at our 10 frames, please show me 12. Showing the number 12. Is this going to be on 1 10 frame or 2 10 frames? 1 10 frame or 2 10 frames? You got it. 2 10 frames. Okay. I was trying to trick you. You got it though. 2 10 frames because we know 12 is 10 and how many more? Right, 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay. 10 plus 2. Showing me on your boards, either with your counters or with your marker or crayon or pencil. Okay. In 3, 2, did you see it? 1. Is that what your 10 frames look like? Right. We see the 10 because we know 12 is 10 and how many more? 2. 10, counting up, 11, 12. Nice work, everyone. Okay. I'm not sure if we're continuing our 10 frame flashcards next week, but I'll let you know on Monday if we are. Until then, I will see you in a little bit for some more videos. Bye, everyone.